welcome back to another video. And in this video I got Fossil. I went to the Fossil outlet. I have a Coach and I have my Ipsy. Let's start with my Ipsy box. I am working on sending out friend mail, so maybe it'll be something in here that I might want to send out to my friend mail. Look good, do good. Oh, look at the blue. It's so cute. Oh, nice. It usually has a little flyer to talk about anything is possible. A new season is bound to welcome some amazing changes for us and for you. So let's see what's in. Okay, here's my Ipsy box. It came with this gel eyeliner, Shades and Shame. It looks like it's like a chocolate brown. And then here is the face moisturizer. Here's the setting spray. And then here's the Petals toner, Common Petals toner. It's a nice travel size. And then here's the lipstick. And that's what it looks like on me. I put a little on. And then here's the little card, anything is possible. Here's the bag. Look good, do good. It's so cute. So that's my little Ipsy package for April. See, here's an item that I have for Coach. This is called Willow Flower Black. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's cute. It's the tea flower. Oh, look at this. Oh, I got this from the Coach Reserve from the outlet. Oh, it's the cutest. Nice. Okay, so that's that, the Coach, and then here we have a unboxing. I had seen this at the outlet and I was thinking about it, and then I had a, a coupon. This is the Petunia Multi. This is part of the new collection. I can't think of the name right now. Of course, I'll put it on the screen. But I thought this was so nice. It's a cosmetic bag. And I like it because it has the handle. Isn't that the cutest? It's pretty big. It looks like I can carry this as a little wristlet. I'm sure I could. And it zips all the way down. It would have been nice if it had double zippers. I love double zippers, but it has a pocket here. And here's with a little tag says, here. And then on the other side, it's plain. It's like a wipeable material, I guess, but it's pebble leather, and the color is Petunia. And it is definitely gorgeous. Look at that. Look how cute that is. So yeah. So that's, and then from Fossil, we went to the outlet, and I'll insert a little clip after this. I've seen this a lot on YouTube, and this I thought was a good deal. I think it was $59. And they have it wrapped, which is nice. Look at this. This is called the Sydney Satchel in Smoky Blue. And it's cute. It has a strap. I'll just take the, I don't know if I could take the little handle off, the strap off. And it has the double zippers, and I've seen a lot of people on YouTube with this bag. I know I'm probably out of frame, but oh, it's packaged really nice. It has a zipper in the back, and then it has two pockets in the front. I didn't buy the wallet because I really didn't like it. I mean, it was large, and I wasn't really feeling it. Oh, it's so cute. Here's where it's like a brass brush sculpt. Nice. So that's that. And then I also got the tote bag. It was $59 too. And it's in leather. And I was like, oh, this is really a nice deal. The girl is starting to sweat. It's hot in Arizona today. It's like 92. And I'm the only one that's hot. Everybody else act like they cool. So here we have it. Look at this. No, oh, it does have feet. It has a back pocket here. And this is called the Sydney Tote in Smoky Blue. It goes about here. It's nice to have a back pocket to put your phone. This is what the inside looks like, a gray. Has a zipper pocket, some pockets to put cards. There's a key keeper. Nice. I'll do some, I'll insert some shots of it in the sun. And then here it has a little fossil key, I'm assuming. Package really nice. It's nice when you go to the outlet and you get stuff and they keep it wrapped for you. That's cool. So, and then I'm going to insert some footage of a couple items that I'm giving away for my friend mail. I usually try to mail out like 2 friend mails a month, and I'm running a little behind, but I did want to tell you guys a couple of my empties. This is As I Am Double Buttercream. And I really like this. This is maybe like my 3rd or 4th time buying it. I saw it at TJ Maxx for $4. As I Am. It's a good moisturizer. And then this one is Tree Hut. I also got this from TJ Maxx for $5. I buy a lot of these when I see them, so I don't use them all at the, you know, I don't use one. Sometimes I switch between, but this is a 24-hour one. And this is another one of my favorites. And I also have another one. This one is Dickerson. It's hydrating cleansing cloth with rose water, and it has I believe, what is that called? Witch hazel in it, and I got this for $1 at TJ Maxx, and I love this. I got a couple of them, so I'm glad I did get a couple. And then this is what I'm really loving on right now, the Body Shop. This was $6.99 at TJ Maxx. It's a 96-hour moisturizer. It doesn't have much scent. It doesn't smell like avocados. As you can see, I've been digging in it. And this is really nice. It keeps you moisturized all day. And yeah, it's really nice. So your girl is sweating bullets. I think sometimes when you're doing videos, you get a little hot. So thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. And hang on, I'm going to insert some footage of a couple items that I'm putting in my friend mail. I just want to do a close-up of it. So see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Deuces. See you soon. Bye. Mwah. Here's the Coach Cosmetic bag. It's really cute with the strap. I really like that. I'm really glad I got that. This is something I got from Target. I wanted to put some sprays and stuff in here for travel. And then here's one of my friend mail. This touch mirror, you may have seen this in one of my videos. This is the Coach Wristlet Strawberry. Some LA lip colors. Oh, this eyeliner is with my Ipsy package, so I'm gonna keep that. This was my Ipsy. And then here's my little Coach charm key ring. It's really cute. So I got one of these for friend mail. I got this little bee holder from Bath and Body Works. I guess it lights up. I haven't played with it. And then here's some lip balm, LA lip colors. And then this is like one of those beanies, satin, or it's actually silk Cool Breeze. And it's in the color pink, silk bonnet. That's what it is. So yeah, that's my friend Mel. I'm working on. Hopefully I'll get those out today or tomorrow. And then this, I haven't decided what I was going to do with this. This is, I bought this in Texas at the airport. It's a Hard Rock Cafe. It's a name badge thing. It's paisley on the other side. And then there's the paistiness on the other side. I'm not sure what your girl going to do with this. But anyway, that's what I got. Peace out.